my brush that I always use. It's very soft. So I'll just begin at the very top, and using rhythmic motions, I will take all the dust off. Fantastic, fantastic. So now I will get you a cup of tea to just get settled in. First, we need our little tea mat to ensure that there's no damage done to your desk. And we have our teacup, which has blue flowers on it. And we have this lovely teapot that is from an antique shop, if you can believe it. And it has these wonderful, gorgeous blue hydrangeas, which are, of course, the quintessential summer flower. For tea, we have this one by Traditional Medicine, and it is an organic cup of calm. And the flavor is lavender mint, which just sounds so delicious. And I think that you will really enjoy it, and hopefully it will be very relaxing. I'll just give this a quick little stir, and then we will let it sit to steep for a little bit. So while we wait for the tea to cool down, I wanted to show you some summery books that I brought with me for you to enjoy. So the first book that I have with me is called Remarkably Bright Creatures, and it is by Shelby Van Pelt, and it has a sticker, a Read with Jenna sticker. And really, I bought this because of its ocean themed, and I believe that the Remarkably Bright Creature is referring to this orange octopus. stack of books, so I think that we can start with this one, and then maybe I will put these to the side for you to enjoy later. Does that sound okay? Okay, wonderful. Next, I brought for you a notebook, and this I thought matched so well with this book cover and just with the ocean theme. It has starfish and coral and these beautiful tropical fish all over it. And I like this little tie that keeps your notebook closed for you. It is a mini journal, and it has this lovely seahorse in it, and it is by the Peter Popper Press, and I have a bunch of their notebooks because they are well made and very cute designs. So I thought that you could just sit at your desk and look out the window and drink some tea and just do some journaling, or work on some novel ideas, or just write down your thoughts, things that you're grateful for. And I thought that that would be really relaxing for you. So I will put that right next to your book. And next I have this little journal. It is very miniature sized, so I thought that you could just pop this in your purse when you go to the beach. It's very light so that you can take it anywhere, and I thought that if any good ideas come to you, you could just write them down in this. So I will put this on top of here for you. And of course, I know that you need something to write with, so for this journal, I brought these two gel pens, and I like these because, they match kind of the color of the sea. And I brought this kind of grayish, bluish, purplish highlighter so that you could highlight some important things in your notebook or some great passages in the novel. So I'll put these right here for you. Next, I always like to have something that is kind of the focal piece of the desk, something that your eye just goes straight toward. So I bought this blue tray that has this wonderful gold rim around it. And inside the tray we're going to put some things. So look at this. This is a flower vase. It's from Anthropology, and I put in some bright blue dried flowers with some green stems in it, and I love the bright pop that it gives you. I don't know if you can see, but you can see the little face of the pufferfish, and I just think it is so cute and unique looking. So I will put this right here. Hopefully seeing its little face will kind of brighten your day a little bit. And to put in here, I thought that I would just put these extra sea colored pens in, just so that you have a little bit of an option, and so all of your writing tools are just organized. Next we need some candles, and we'll start with this very small one. I like that it's a dark blue color, so this will be the first one that we put down. And next we have this candle. It is obviously a larger one, and you'll see that I'm kind of going for different shades of blue here, so I will put this one in the back, I think. And lastly, we have this candle. It's also from Anthropology, and I decided to just keep this paper on because I think that it looks pretty. I like the gold color, and I really love this bright pop of blue color that this candle has, and I like the height. So it's important to have different feels and textures of height when you're designing. So we have this here. So now we will just light the candles, and I think that you'll be amazed at the difference that just a few candles will make. This one has 3, so it might take a while. Isn't that amazing? I know that the sun is bright out and it's warm, but even so, sometimes I like to light the candles because it just makes me feel so peaceful. So one of the last few touches is some succulents. So I have these little baby succulents, and I actually have more. So I thought that these would just look really nice, just kind of dotted around. You know, I think that it would give a nice summery flair to it. The last thing that I have is this very cute holder for your tea bag. I think you mentioned that you like your tea very strong, so it's still in there. I'm sure that you will want to take it out soon, but you can put it in here. And I thought that was just so handy. So let me do a little bit of rearranging. So there you have it, your ocean